Hi, this is Chris. Today I'm going to make an accordion fold book, tag book, out of one piece of 12 by 12 paper and some tags. So I got this idea from Dea Fischer, Handmade Book Essentials. I bought this a long time ago. In fact, I think it's from 2011. I don't think it's available anymore. I haven't been able to find it online anywhere. It was produced by ClothPaperScissors, the magazine. Handmade Book Essentials. And so last week I did the side stitch or Japanese stab stitch binding book, and this week I'm going to do the tab book. I'm going to use from my craft paper tablet, and I'll choose a paper. So my measurements are based on my tags, and these tags are 4 3/4 inches by 2 3/8 inches. And I'm going to cut my paper 5 1/4 inches, and then 2 pieces 5 inches by 5 1/2 inches. That'll be my spine, my accordion. And these will be my covers. Okay, why is that not right? 5 1/2. Uh-oh, I did this one too short. Well, figure that out when I get to it. Okay. I don't have a scoreboard, so I'm going to score this right here. And this paper isn't exactly 12 inches, so there. That's the accordion spine. Now, decide how I want my pages. I have to go this way. Do it like that. That makes kind of an interesting effect there. Or I can do it like that. See if it works the same over here. Doesn't quite match up. Whoops. Is that the right way? Doesn't quite match up that way. Oh, this is the one that's too small, isn't it? Okay, I think I need to cut this. Fits pretty well like that. I want it just inside the fold. Alright, so here's the one I made previously. And next we'll put in our tags. So I need to take these strings off. I've taken the strings off, and so now I'm going to glue in my tags. Start here. Put it right there about an 1/8 inch from the top and an 1/8 inch from the spine. And then this one. Oops. Put that on the wrong one. See, when we do something together, we learn from our mistakes. Goes on this one. Now this one goes on the other side of the little flap, 1/8 inch from the fold and from the bottom. Okay, now here we have our little book. We have these little tabs where you can journal, put pictures, put ephemera from a trip you went on. I'll have to fix that little mistake like that, and then you can fold it out like that. So isn't that cute? And then you decorate it all up. And I have to get some more tags so I can finish up this one also. So thanks for joining me in trying this out. This is my first time doing this. We could do it together. And I think I said at the beginning that it's almost impossible to get it completely squared up until you've had some practice with folding and gluing and all that stuff. But it makes a fun little gift, and then you could tie a little ribbon around it. This one stays closed a little better now that it has the tags in it. So thanks for watching, and have a great day crafting. Bye bye!